Alright guys, welcome to your second R tutorial, and in this video, as promised, I'm going to be teaching you guys, not really teaching you guys, showing you guys how to download RStudio, the program that we're going to be using that I promised you guys was incredibly cool. So the cool thing about this is not only is it an awesome IDE for programming R and building cool charts and graphs, but it's free. Boom roasted, how awesome is that? So of course, here's the home page right here. If you just click download RStudio, of course we want the desktop version. There are different versions that you can pay for, like this one, commercial license, and of course that's if you're going to be like making software that you're going to sell. But for now, let's just go ahead and download the RStudio desktop. And what do we want? Alright, these are the installers, and just go ahead and pick your operating system. I am running Windows 7, so click that. And now this is downloading. And no time to tell a story. Thank God, because it was probably going to be awful. Alright, so once this is downloaded, it's just an executable. You can go ahead and double click it and just hit yes. And of course, this is also an incredibly easy installation. Pretty much stick with the defaults. Next. Okay, everything looks good. Install. Wow, this is going to take a while. Okay, story time. What now? Okay, so the other night I went out and I got chicken wings, and I usually get barbecue, but they usually just dump a whole thing of barbecue in it, so I decided to get hot instead because they're less saucy. And then I got an eyelash in my contact, so I had to wash my hands real quick, and then I had to let's just go ahead and finish this. And then what I did is I didn't get all the hot sauce, so I was like fiddling around with my contact and basically got hot sauce in my eye. So awful story, but hey, we now have RStudio downloaded. So if you go into your programs, you can see RStudio folder right here. And if you click this, you see RStudio and uninstall. What we want to do is we want to put an icon of this on the desktop. So if you right click it and put, where you at, send to desktop, what it's going to do is it's going to create a shortcut. Actually, I like to rearrange everything. So, you know, all my programs are in one space and folders are in another. But anyways, we now have RStudio installed. So double click that, and sorry you guys can't look at Megan Fox anymore. And check it out. This is it, RStudio. So I'm pretty much, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you guys different parts of this as we need them, because if I just, you know, start talking to you guys about different kinds of packages we can install, you're like, what the heck is you know, lattice graphics? I don't even know, lettuce graphics, what is this? Who frickin' knows? So instead of just overwhelming you guys and talking to you guys about every detail of the interface, I'll show you guys the things as we need them, and it'll make sense. It'll be a lot easier and funner to learn as well, or more fun, however you say it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and then the next video we're actually going to be getting our hands dirty and seeing what this bad boy can do.